You're wondering which one of these Sony headphones you should buy for yourself. There's so many different options. You have the newly released 720s, you have the 710s, you have the XN4s and the 5s, you have the 910s, and these are all great options. All great options. You know how much I love my 720s and my 910s. But this headphone, which is an over-the-ear headphone, actually this is an on-ear headphone. Let me repeat, this is on-ear. These are all over-ear. So a little bit different there. This is extremely light. This is the lightest headphone that I think Sony currently manufactures, and it operates on Bluetooth. It does not come with active noise cancellation, something you find on all of these. The difference is these over-the-ear 520s don't have active noise cancellation. After Sony spent all that effort building a lot of these amazing headphones, they put that same amount of build quality in the 520s. Second, audio profile. The audio profile here is greatly improved from even the 510s. And you could try other headphones that are over the ear at the same price point. But if you were to look at the difference between this one and this one, all of these, which are ranging from $120 all the way to $300 in terms of price, $350 if you count the XM5s, I think that the Sony 520s are the best deal headphones you'll find. Why? Build quality is very high. Audio profile here, large soundstage, bass is good. I would say the highs are good, the mids are good. Is it going to be as crisp as the fanciest headphones that you see here? No. The only real drawback on the 520s will be on call quality. They have made the adjustments or the improvements on the microphones, but they have not greatly improved the call quality just yet. That's because there's only one microphone here, and every single one of these are going to be coming with at least 2 to 3 or even 4 microphones, sometimes 4 microphones per year. So that's something you want to realize, that there's a trade-off. But the best reason why the 520s, or actually the two best reasons why the 520s are so good, and I'm going to put them on just to explain this reason to you. And we'll put all of our different Sonys right behind me. Is that when I place these on, I realized two things. First, very comfortable. I love the physical controls that are all located on your headphones. It's great for kids. These are probably, in my opinion, the best headphones that you can get for a child. That's probably somewhere, I mean, I use this on with my child who's 2 years old, and they're really comfortable. How Sony did it is that they improved the cushioning here, and they made the well a little bit deeper. The overall lightness of these makes it lighter than most children's headphones, period. But you still are connected via Bluetooth. And the second best reason, which is even cooler, is that, let's say all of that, you don't have a kid, let's say you don't care about over the ear and you don't care about active noise cancellation, the 520s now can use the Sony Connect headphone app. So you can adjust the EQ and change the audio profile in your 520s. So if you're trying to get a headphone that you can adjust the EQ, the audio profile sounds very good, that is multi-purpose, where you can use it or your child can use it. And I go as far as saying these are the best child headphones that you can get, period, right now, currently anywhere, period. I'm talking about all the children's headphones you can get, especially children's headphones under 50. I don't think you could do better than these Sonys. The audio profile is good, they last a long time, battery life is exceptional. I bought mine the day they came out. I got mine pre-ordered, I've been using them for a month. Most people always ask me, how come I'm not doing like day one reviews? Because right now, until we're sure that the quality of the item or the product is worthy of being on our best top list, including our carousel, we don't share it with you, but the 520s definitely cross all those boxes. We have put over 100, maybe 200 hours of listening on ours, and I can tell you, my kid loves them, I love them, these are the best. Thanks for watching our review of the Sony 520s. Hit that like and subscribe button because we really appreciate your support. It really does help our channel grow. And that's it, guys. This is David with the French Glow signing off. Bye, bye, bye.